Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be harvesting some citrus. This is my snowbird citrus plant that I planted last year. I have repotted this plant once, and this plant has just been growing in a pot because during the winter I put it inside my house. So we see here a fruit that is ready. I don't usually wait for my snowbird citrus to ripen because I like it this way, and it's a little bit sour. And I usually mix the citrus juice with soy sauce, ground peppercorn, and some other herbs and use it as a marinade. Look at this, guys. Isn't that pretty? There are some damage on some of the leaves, and this happened when this plant was outside in my porch. A worm got it, but it did not stop this plant to produce. As you can see, there are several fruits that are growing in this plant. We have some here, but a bunch here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, and I just saw a bug. I'll take care of that later. And then there's some right here as well. Here's one that's ready. Oh, this is so amazing. This plant smells so good. I wish you can smell this also. And it's very easy to harvest this. You don't even need scissors or anything. All you have to do is to push the stem away from the fruit. See that? That's really easy. I'm gonna need 3 of this for tonight. And here's another one right here. So we are harvesting this. It's just a little bit hard to harvest anything one-handed, so we get that. And then there's another one here. This will also help the plant because it will not spend so much energy to ripen the fruits. Okay, so we get this 3. I hope you enjoyed this video on my little snowbird citrus. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.